Welcome, today in front of me HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Now just as can you see, we got here the ring, message and notification volume panel. Just to mute your notifications, you should swipe here to the left side to this white dot. You should swipe this white dot to the left side with your finger. But as can you see, we got on this volume panel set it not only notifications but also like the ringtones and the messages. And if you want to stay with the ringtones, for example, and you want to mute only your notifications, so you should just go here to the notification tone and just scroll down. Here as can you see, you got this select and currently notification tone. Just switch it to the none. And now if you will go back, as can you see, we got the vibration only. We can also just turn off the vibration if you want. And just by this way you can mute your notification sounds and stay with the ringtones and with the messages. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.